I will develop myself in a positive manner and avoid anything that may reduce my mental growth or my physical health. Ready, stand, go! I will develop self-discipline in order to help bring out the best in myself and others. Set and ease. I will use common sense, speed for self-defense, and never be abusive or offensive. Set. This is. We are dedicated. We are motivated. We are on a quest to be the best.